Hello, everyone, and welcome to our product update session, news, features, and roadmap number 16 today. Today, without our CTO, Sinisha, and I will guide you through everything what's new in our universe of automation and delivery. As usual, this session will be recorded and uploaded to our YouTube channel at xope_io. But for now, let's start. If you have any question, use in Livestorm the right corner to place your questions. I will try to answer it as soon as possible. What we are talking about today, there are different things coming up in our environment. For example, if we start with NIS2, which is a very important security and compliance topic, which is starting next year. There, I will give you some insights as well as some different blog articles. I will switch over to the website and show you there is a landing page created where you can check all information how XOAP can help you to solve your NIS2 topics. What is NIS2? What kind of sectors are affected about and what to do. The most important thing is at the end, how XOAP can help you to solve these topics or enhance your security and compliance rate. For example, with a centralized security and compliance management, with automated monitoring and alerts, with multi-tenant capabilities to deliver your automations and configurations across multiple accounts and subscriptions, to deliver desired state configurations across your platforms for server, for desktops, for your entire IT infrastructure, and enforce security standards like CIS, Center of Internet Security, STIG, Security Technical Implementation Guidelines, and also in Germany, BSI, Sisyphus, automations to your entire infrastructure, but as well as deliver all these configurations and standards without vendor lock-in on a dedicated platform or solution, as well as the continuous integration of streamlined software packages and updates for your baseline components like Java or whatever in an automated and streamlined way. All this you can read on the website and check out what kind of solutions we offer to automate your security standards. Audio. I missed my audio, disconnected. It's connected again. Yeah, it is connected. We have different blog articles online since last week. For example, you can download for free a BitLocker module to encrypt your HD disks. Pretty easy. You can also roll it out through your XOAP account. So create a free account, connect your system, and run the BitLocker encryptions to any server or desktop system in your environment pretty easy. But you can also download the BitLocker module for free through this blog article. As well as we have a new blog article which is comparing Intune and MEM with XOAP. What are the added values with XOAP? What are maybe the challenges with Intune? And as well, how to convert a group policy into a DSC module. We give you some examples, some scripts, and some best practices to deliver or create your own DSC module pretty easy. We also do a comparison how to what kind of DAS solutions are available and how to manage all these different DAS solutions like Citrix, Desktop as a Service, AWS Workspaces, Azure Virtual Desktop Manager through one user interface, how to deliver a customized image build, how to package software streamlined, how to configure and harden the systems based on security and compliance baselines. You can read all of these on our website and blog page. We have implemented more details in configuration management. So if you check out your uploaded modules, you can now verify what kind of module you're using, gather more information. I will show it to you live in the user interface. Therefore, I opened the application the SOAP application. We go to configuration management, and over here you can find the modules area. I will zoom in a little bit. Hope that's better. And here you can see every DSC module you uploaded in your XOAP account. You can go to PowerShell Gallery, download the DSC module, upload it easily with the plus symbol in your XOAP account, and combine it with multiple DSC modules, change something, create a configuration set, and every change of a configuration get a new version, as well as every uploaded DSC module have their own version. I give you an example with this one for Active Directory DSC, and now you can see more details. You see release note descriptions. You don't have to download the DSC module. You see which kind of module you are using right now. You can see which versions are also available, who created this one, who upload this one, and also you can create different tags and assign tags to this module to find it later pretty easy in your entire environment. As you have seen maybe in our earlier videos, you just can create multiple tags, for example, Active Directory, give them also a color, save, and it will be assigned. And at the end, I will close this. We will go to tags, and also here, then it will be automatically created in the central tags location. So you gather more information about your uploaded modules, you see the version, you see the release notes, and you see all different versions which are online. As well, what is available right now, if you create your account, then you will see in platform management, which is for free for now, the Azure Virtual Desktop Manager. This is a new product which will be available pretty soon. So you can not only use XOAP to build your custom machine image builds, to deliver application packages, to deliver configurations to your Azure Virtual Desktop, you can also start managing it. For example, you can create new resource groups, virtual networks, private endpoints, create host pools, session hosts, deliver application groups, create your dedicated workspace, and define scaling plans. And now you combine all the different layers for image management, application management, configuration management, and platform management to deliver the entire stack of virtual desktop to a specific location. And one important thing is not only to one location, you can add multiple Azure subscriptions to your XOAP account, so you can manage multiple Azure environments, deliver all the automations and layers to different customer environments, subscriptions, tenants, and so on. So Azure Virtual Desktop Manager, pretty cool stuff, soon available in your account. If you go back, what's coming also next? There's a very important thing which is called ConnectXO to connect your on-premises infrastructure with your XOAP account. We are preparing this one right now. So if we go to connections over here, then for now you have the cloud provider. You can select Azure, AWS, and Google Cloud. And we are preparing the ConnectXO client with this API key. So you can add something over here like VMware. You can give them a token, say that's admin, select the tag, no VMware available, same procedure, create a VMware tag, say save, and then you have created your token, which you can then use with ConnectXO. That's the first step of the preparation to deliver the new module, which will be this year available so that you can connect your on-premises infrastructure with XOAP and use all these available layers and modules we already have with image configuration, application management, platform management to deliver all these things also on premises. As you know, you can already deliver things on premises. For example, if we are talking about configuration management, you can already deliver configuration as code in a streamlined way to your notebooks, to your server systems on VMware, on Oracle, on whatever. Every Windows system can be managed right now with configuration management, as well as on every cloud platform. Also, the application management module is already right now available to deliver software packages to notebook server systems and all other virtual systems in your entire infrastructure. But with this new product, ConnectXO, you are also available. It's also possible to deliver a customized image on premises to VMware to run scripted actions on your on-premises infrastructure and extend the entire functionality of configuration management and application management in your hybrid IT infrastructure. What's also coming up next, we are changing the design, and I will show you what or how it will look like. Here you can see the dark theme, which will be available with this new design. We will streamline a little bit the content. We will optimize the spacing and make it more user-friendly, and as well as deliver, of course, the white mode in this new design. Register for our next technical session. That's a training session, how to create an AVD machine image build, to create a dedicated and customized image with used marketplace operating systems, extend this image with applications and configurations, deliver it to your Azure account, and run scripted actions to spin up a VM and do different things in your Azure account. That's a hands-on training, so register. It's on December the 4th, available, or you can register right now on our website, xoap.io/events. Also, there's every Friday at 12 o'clock a Q&A session, so we will answer every question you may have regarding automation, regarding infrastructure as code, configuration as code, and whatever you want to talk about in this Automation Forces universe. So stay tuned and register for this event. What's coming up next? A short summary. Azure Virtual Desktop Manager in preview, already available in the dev account, will be available soon also in your account. ConnectXO extended on-premises support for VMware is available this year, or will be available this year. Then we will also extend the support with ConnectXO to other platforms such as Nutanix, Proxmox, and others. And what's also coming up pretty soon is a new PSADT package wizard, which is also included with our module application XO. That's a short roadmap, what's coming up pretty soon and next. Stay tuned. As you all know, we have a free plan. Create your account, start working with XOAP, connect your system, deliver software packages, connect your Azure account, deliver automations on different cloud providers such as Azure, AWS, or Google Cloud Platform, and enjoy our universe and work with our automation toolset. That's it from my side. Um, Follow us on YouTube. We will upload the session later on. Thank you all for watching. See you soon and have a great evening. Bye-bye.